In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moz Keyword Explorer for free. This invaluable tool is perfect for anyone looking to improve their search engine optimization strategy by identifying new keyword opportunities, understanding trends, and learning what drives traffic to your site or your competitors. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Moz website. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. Having an account set up on Moz is essential because it grants you access to their suite of SEO tools, including the Keyword Explorer. If you're new to Moz, you can create an account quickly and easily on their homepage. Once you're logged in, your next step is to navigate to the free SEO tools section. This is where Moz houses a variety of tools designed to help you boost your site's performance. Click on it to reveal the available options. Here you should see the Keyword Explorer option. Click on it to begin your exploration into keyword research. You'll be directed to the Moz Keyword Explorer homepage. The layout is sleek and user-friendly, ensuring that you can easily find your way around. At this stage, it's crucial to have an idea of the keywords you wish to explore. These could be terms that are relevant to your industry or niche, and importantly, they should be terms you think potential visitors might use to find content similar to what you offer. With your keyword in mind, type it into the search box provided on the Keyword Explorer page. Typing in your keyword is the heart of the operation here. Ensure that your spelling is correct and be as specific as you can to get the most relevant data returned to you. After entering your keyword, click on the Analyze button. This action will initiate the search, bringing up a wealth of data related to your chosen keyword. The Keyword Explorer will provide insights into the search volume, difficulty, organic click-through rate, and more crucial information to guide your content strategy. Next, direct your attention to the top-ranking keywords section. Clicking on this will allow you to see not just your existing keyword data, but also which keywords are currently performing well within your niche. This is a brilliant way to identify what's working in the market right now. Finally, take a moment to review the top-ranking keywords displayed. These are the terms that are currently driving traffic and holding significant search relevance. Analyze these keywords data and draw insights that can inform your next steps, whether those involve creating content around new keywords or tweaking your existing SEO strategy for better results. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Moz Keyword Explorer for free. Remember, taking the time to understand and implement solid keyword research can be a game changer for your SEO efforts. Thanks for tuning in and happy exploring.